Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition, the additional of Saturday, Sunday, December the 28th, December the 29th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, December the 29th, 2024. We have three puzzles already solved: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. Yes, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 9811. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. And the publisher has indicated this with a 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question 2 is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and 2. We have a dual box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes with the 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadrat boxes? I see only 1 quadrat box in the L shape. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a quadrat box in the L shape, remember that the box, the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Okay. More quadrat boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Yeah. Then the following shape. Let me see. We have 1 shape left, I believe. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Only 1 shape. And those are shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not solution, place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 should be here. Then this box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there, okay. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. Let me think. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Well, these two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Then, think. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and the 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, so 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. This one is connected with that box, so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, so 1 and 4. I need a 5 here or there. Wow. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4 anymore. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5 then. 2 numbers left now in this area. One was 3 and 4, 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be 5, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If you place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. Then 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And here I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box will be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes. And there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. And also this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place left for 4 in this area is supposed to be here. Then let me see. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so we 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Well, we have a double 2 there, so we can place the 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes only with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes disappear. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 2 to 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, it's not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by itself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening. Yeah, in the evening with the last puzzle, the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye. See you later.